Hey, what's up, beautiful people? I want to drop a quick video on Claude Cowork. Listen, these guys have been crushing it in the month of March. It's been feature after feature after feature. I can't wait to see what they're going to drop in the month of April. But listen, I want to discuss some of those things first. Let's dive right into it. I saw an article, Meet Claude Mythos. Leaked Anthropic post reveals the powerful upcoming model. Anthropic about the AI model cybersecurity risk in a leaked post as well. As a former ethical hacker, and I use the word former sparingly, if hacking could be ethical, man, this thing is crazy. We gotta make sure we put a lid on this thing because who knows what hackers are gonna do. Yes, we use technology like this for countermeasures, but man, this is still scary. One of the other things I was so excited about was I did a post on it here on LinkedIn. You could take a read of it when you get a chance. I said, I must be dreaming, but wait, no, my AI is dreaming. Claude Code is about to dream, auto dream. The scientists tell us that when we sleep, our brain purges and dumps all the noise, but it looks like Claude is going to do the same thing. So it looks like auto dream is going to run between sessions, prune junk, merge scattered notes into clean entries, and refresh everything to match our actual code base. So listen, you're talking about dispatch, you're talking about auto dream, you're talking about mythos. This thing is going to the next level, and I would encourage you, if you're not diving into this thing, dive in and explore. I said I wanted to drop for you 4 skills that are going to be game changers. So I have a friend of mine, great guy. His name is Brandon, and I created a LinkedIn leadership position audit and optimization system. So here what this thing does. It goes through your entire LinkedIn profile. Phase 1, it does an audit, and phase 2, you go through phase 2. Listen, it's comprehensive, right? Strategic position. There's a phase 3, complete rewriting your frameworks. Phase 4, a 30-day content activation. So this prompt is the bomb. And it's easy to use. You just go into Claude Cowork. Now, if you have a pro plan or max plan of Claude, you just go into it, you're going to see chat, you're going to see Cowork. So I'm going into Cowork, right? Start a new task, and I'm just going to find Brandon's LinkedIn page. All the best to you, my brother. Let me just copy that. I'm just going to paste it here. And I made this prompt easy for you. You just copy. Later on, I'll teach you in another video how to make a skill. But for now, just copy everything. Just copy the prompt. Copy the entire prompt. You copy it. You go into Cowork, paste the LinkedIn profile. That's it. Let's go. And listen, this thing is going to run. And so that we won't have to wait here for it, right? What I did was I ran it before. And Brandon, my friend, your profile needs some help. And that's why we have Claude Cowork to help Brandon. Somebody type in the comments. I'm just going to stop this now because I ran it before, right? Somebody type in the comments, help Brandon. Help Brandon. Yeah. Brandon, my friend, your profile needs some help. I'm going to send this to you. And this thing goes through everything. Audit your scorecard, your experience, everything, strategic positioning. Actually, you can start an entire business from this thing. So you can have a business about optimizing, because this is a game changer. This deals with deals, contracts, jobs, careers, partnerships. So this is big. And so this can be a job for someone to really audit someone's LinkedIn profile and give recommendations to really turn it from a score that's down to 100. And the next thing I did for you, and this one is liquid gold. How to replace a team in 3 minutes with Claude Cowork. 1 idea, 3 skills, 0 team required. And I want to make sure I just don't drop this here without setting it up. So this is like you having your own business consultancy, or this is like what Pricewaterhouse, Ernst & Young, etc. would do. They charge sometimes 50,000 US plus for some of the work they do. They do good work. I just throw in a plug there. I have no clue if they do good work, right? To all my friends there, all the students, all the people I've trained in those companies, you do great work. So listen, how to replace a team in 3 minutes. Now, if you're launching a business, you tend to go from idea to business to content to execution. And you're going to have to hire 3 people. Guess the price. A strategist, a business strategist, a marketer, and an operator. So one's going to build a business, one's going to create the content machine, and the next one is going to execute. We did it for you in this prompt. Skill 1, business builder. All you have to do is just copy it here and put it into Claude Cowork. Skill 2, content machine, done for you. Just copy, rock and roll. Skill 3, execution planner, again, done for you. So let me give you an example how you're going to use this. So you go down here, start a new task. It's always good to choose your sandbox folder, right? And let's say I wanted to build a business because this is sort of the hype today. Actually, it wouldn't be a bad business. I want to start, and I'm typing just for you. You can talk instead of typing. I want to start a keto meal subscription delivery business. So that's all you do. Just tell it the type of business you want to start. Go to your first prompt, skill 1. Right, go to skill 1, you copy it, go back to Claude Cowork, and just run that bad boy. Paste, let's rock and roll. And that's going. And when that is finished, just take your next prompt, copy it, paste it. And when that is finished, take your next prompt, copy it, and paste it. And guys, this is where the magic happens. So the first prompt, let's look at it. An entire business blueprint. Hey, drop some comments in the chat. I felt like I was in a Zoom. I nearly tell you, drop some ones. Drop some comments in the chat. Keto meal delivery. I own a company that does digital marketing, business consultancy. And for some clients in the past, we've charged some serious dinero for things like this. And man, you could do it now in a minute with Claude Cowork. And so this goes through target audience. Look at this. Your pain points, desired outcome, what your offer should be like, the funnel system, the positioning, the business summary. And then we ran the next prompt, and that was the content playbook. 5 strong hooks. You didn't quit keto because it doesn't work. You quit because nobody was making the meals for you. The contrarian point of view, the outcome hook, the identity hook. Man, Instagram, LinkedIn. And then lastly, your 7-day launch plan, step-by-step guide to get your business off the ground. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Guys, done for you. I'm dropping the prompt in the description. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drop both prompts, the LinkedIn prompt and how to replace a team in 3 minutes prompt. It's going to take a little longer than 3 minutes. I'm going to drop both of them in the description of this video. Hey guys, so that's the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to encourage you, try it out for yourself. And if you've never subscribed to this channel, do us a favor, go ahead and subscribe because we're going to have some more amazing content like this coming your way. Hey, thanks for watching. Wishing you the best, man. I'm out.